Hi, this is Ravi here, and welcome to my new YouTube channel, Amazon Product Review. Today I'm going to start my channel uh, to review a product for the ant repellent. The product name is Strategi Ant Repellent liquid. So, why I choose this product first on my YouTube channel is I would like to tell you that this is a very common problem in every household where you have problem of ants, and especially because I'm a gardener, this problem is more with me because the ants are keep on damaging my plants. And so I was looking for an easiest solution where I can spray something very easily. It's herbal and is safe to use. So that's why I found this stratagent ant repellent liquid. Its actually name is Strategi. Okay, ant repellent liquid, and it says it's 100% herbal. So I have just used it for 1 week, and I thought to share the review with you all. So let's start. So first thing is, it's very safe to use, as it says herbal, so I have not seen any side effect or anything else. Second thing is, uh, you can spray it widely across your home. So if you have suppose if you have ants around the corner of your dustbin, you can use there. If you have ants in your garden, you can use here. And let me show you where I exactly used there and what was the effect of. So as you can see, this is so easy to use. Uh, as I explained, like how I used it to, remove ants from near my dustbin baggage, and also near my garden. There are few recommendation you should use. Is first thing, you should not let this ant repellent liquid touch any of your body part other than hands, because it mentioned that it may have some side effect. So please make sure that you wear some kind of gloves, or maybe the same gloves used by the medical professional, just to be sure. Or if you have any garden gloves, that also you can use. Second thing is, you need to keep it out of reach for with all your kids and pets, because it can be harmful for them. So make sure you keep it someplace safe and away from direct sunlight. The other thing you should remember is, you should always use this liquid at the night, because no one will be there around that. There is some smell from this liquid, of course. With every pesticide or insecticide, you have this smell. So the best recommendation is to use it at night when everyone will go to bed. Just before that, you can spray it, and in the morning the smell will be gone. So that's the best time to use it. And I hope this small video help you to get rid of those ants which are eating your garden. And garden is one of my hobbies, so I don't want ants to damage that. So this was a good solution for me, and I have bought it from Amazon. I have also mentioned the link of the product below in the video. Please, if you like, if you want to try that, please go ahead and try. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my video. You'll get more cool products which I'm going to bring in this YouTube channel soon. So just keep following my channel, and hope you have a wonderful day.